Hi everyone, this is Jana here. Welcome back. As you can see, I'm still in Norway and I have a cold, hence the thick scarf. But that's not gonna stop me from making something delicious for you guys because I love you. And what we're gonna make today is this proper traditional Norwegian sausage stew called Pølsegryte. Super easy to make. And I couldn't go on with my days without sharing this with you guys. I promise you, you're gonna love it. So let's get into it.
Honey, say goodbye to this honey, 'cause I've had enough of you now. Baby, say goodbye to this baby, 'cause I've had enough of you now. So long, farewell, farewell, I'll be heading out on my own. This is the end of what we had, but don't worry, baby, I don't feel bad. Honey, say goodbye to this honey, 'cause I've had enough of you now. Say goodbye to this honey, 'cause I've had enough of you now. Baby, say goodbye to this. Doop 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 up up doop 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 doop
And look what I have here. It's my pølsegryte ready, and this house smells like a comforting grandma's house or a cabin in the woods, because that's what it is actually. And you can serve this with a side of mashed potatoes or even a noodle, like those thick noodles like a pappardelle. That is up to you. But the beauty of this dish is that you can mix and match with different winter vegetables that you have laying in your fridge. If you know me, you know that I like to have this freedom to cook with whatever you have laying in your fridge, and this dish is one of those things. And this is it for today. Thank you for spending time with me. Don't forget to check on my website. I have all my recipes on my website, are very organized and cataloged by categories, and the recipes are all printable. And there's also a list of substitutions and everything with regard to all the recipes. So have a look. And don't forget to check on my Patreon if you would like to support this channel. And don't forget to like this channel because it's also important for the channel to grow. And I see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye bye.